Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Guys, I want to talk about Nigerians, guys. I don't know with our brothers, what are they doing? Wherever they go, people have a problem with them. I saw a tweet where in India, they've been, rounded up like cattle, when you want to put them on a crown. So they have been rounded up in India on these deportation camps, so they can deport them back to their home country. Guys, if you're a visitor, try to behave. It's like when you visit with your kids, you tell them, yo, you must behave where we're going. So these guys, I don't know, everywhere where they go, there's like people have a problem with Nigerians. So guys, please try to behave wherever you go, or whatever country or wherever you guys go. Try to behave, guys.
See what you are seeing in India. See what you are seeing in India. We want to go, they say no. They don't allow us to go. Let Indian people allow us to go. We are in the deportation camp, not kidnapping camp. India don't allow us to go. See what you are suffering in India. See what you are suffering in India. See what you are suffering in India. Men Nigerian government and the whole world see what you are suffering in India. See what you are suffering in India. India is killing us here.
And now, second one, there's a 31-year-old doctor in Middleburg who is arrested for stealing medication. A doctor, guys. A doctor. Imagine being busted for stealing medication, guys. And then they're saying this medication is worth 50,000. Guys, what is 50,000 rands? If you are a doctor, you can have your own surgery, you can make a lot more, guys. You can make a bunch of money, guys. So yeah, I think she stole this on the 1st of March. So yeah, man, she stole the medication on the 1st of March. I think she was working night shift. Yeah, because they mentioned something about night shift and stuff. So yeah, man, what a disgrace, guys. It's so embarrassing. A doctor, our doctors. This is crazy. Then there's this video, guys, that caught my attention. This video, there's like this sister. She's outside naked. She's outside naked, talking a bunch of things. I think she's a witch, So she's busy witching these guys, but she can't get through this guy. She's saying he's successful. This guy has been studying, he's busy furthering his studies. So she have a problem with this guy. She's saying that's why I want to kill him, but I can't get through this guy because he's a prayer warrior. What is wrong with these ladies, guys? I don't know. Okay, let me not say ladies. What's wrong with witches? They have a problem for you succeeding. What is this? So yeah, man, I'm gonna drop a video of this lady talking some senseless things, on the video there.
Say
Last year authority test. So long yena kadinga ukufunda. Akabora incwadi. Lezo sikhathi into isontayo ke. Yena no Jesu manje. Yo. Awasibonje business ngokuthakathi. Hayibo. Yena business sonto ke inkulunkulu. Thaneza wonke malanga. Buka ukuthi ubani. Akasibonje into sithandazi. Wenzeni umsebenzi ukuthi. Yo.
And I saw this Chinese video. I don't know if it's a China or a Korean or what. Guys, when we're talking about supporting your partner, we're talking about something like that. But what I didn't understand is this. They went on a date, right? So I think it's like a group of people on a date, right? So, but these guys, his money can't cover the bills. So this lady, she sneak out and take out money from her purse and give it to this dude. This guy count money and stuff, return the rest to his girlfriend or friend and stuff. But he keep the other money for himself. I don't know why. He should have, returned everything to this honey who paid for the bills. But anyway, it shows that when on nowadays relationships, you don't have to, a man doesn't have to pay for the meals or for the bills. I agree, you guys, you need 50-50. So this is part of 50-50, I guess. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, guys. More videos are there. We dropped 15 episodes, so please go and watch. Stay tuned, guys.